80% of English learners hate reading English. They hate reading English, but they want to sharpen their communication skills. They do not like reading at all. Well, today in this video, I found something very good for all of you guys. If you do not like reading, I'm really sure after watching this video, you are going to read some books and you are going to improve your English a lot. Today in the video, I'll be suggesting some books which I've read, and each and every book is amazing. I've read all the books corner to corner and I just loved. Really, I loved them because it is very easy. You will be understanding each and every concept which is mentioning in all books. Every book is easy, with easy language, sentence structures, vocabulary and concept. With easy language almost, books are written. All the books which I'm going to suggest you in this video. So video is going to be really informative, especially for English learning beginners. So guys, if you are a beginner and you have just started learning English, your journey is just started, make sure to watch this video completely because you are going to get something precious from this video. Now let's begin. Well, why I'm making this video is that when I was a beginner, I was learning English language. I also hated, of course, reading in English because it's kind of, giving mental pain to your brain. It's kind of put efforts to learn something, put extra efforts to understand something when you are reading English language, right? You are reading, you're not getting something, then you will be bored and you will just leave it. But I just got something interesting. I like to read some self-help books. So I was just scrolling one day on Instagram and I got a video suggesting 5 amazing books. And at that point of time, I just ordered at the same time and I got 5 books. And that's what I'm going to suggest you in today's video. I have read all those 5 books corner to corner and I loved those books. And I can say those books actually made a good impact in my life because these books are self-help books. I like to read it. So I can of course suggest you in today's video. Now why I'm not suggesting you so that you can improve yourself. Of course the main purpose is you can work on your English language. So it is Think Straight book. It is just amazing one, guys. The story, the content and the English which is used in this book, it is super easy. You are going to understand it easily. So you can just read this one, Think Straight. It is also a good one. You should go for it. And it's not like very lengthy. You can say this, it is not very lengthy. You can read it easily. So of course the main thing is that easy English is mentioned. You can start your reading reading practice with this book. This is the first one. Now the second one is Don't Believe Everything You Think. I just loved it. Literally, there are so many things that you are going to explore about your brain, about your concept, like of the different dots in our brain, how to actually overcome from overthinking, what to do, how we should think in a systematic way, what are some separate things we should stay away from. So there are so many concepts and it is of course very easy. Again, you are going to read it easily and of course understand it easily. You can again see it, it's not very lengthy. Secret, it's super famous. Secret. Now this one is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Believe me guys, this book is super easy to understand. In English language, it is super easy to understand. Vocabularies are so easy to understand, easy sentences, and the content is mind-blowing. You will learn a lot of things about your brain, about your subconscious brain. I've read this book around 2 or 3 times, but I just loved it. I just love to read it again and again. It is an amazing one. And the last book which I do not have right now, I've just given to someone, and that is called Do Epic Shit. Do Epic Shit. Every beginner can read it. Do Epic Shit. And of course, it is all about like self-improvement, your finance improvement, your relationship. Everything is just in one book. Do Epic Shit. You should go for it. You should read that one. It is super duper easy for beginners. Literally, the first ever book which I have read, that was Do Epic Shit, and that became my favorite. So you should go for Do Epic Shit. It is an amazing one. Now these are the 5 books which I really wanted to share with you guys. If you are a beginner and if you want to improve your reading skills in English, these books are good to start. You should start with any one of these books. Well, I hope this video would be helpful for you. If you like this video or if you like any part of this video, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this one. Let's see you soon, guys.